Lars, you gotta come inside. He's kind of a dumb cat, isn't he? Lars, come on. Yes. Come on. Come on. Go get your cat. Go get your cat. You don't want to? It's not your cat? Where's your dog then? Oh, don't do that. Lars, gross. Come on. I'm gonna come get you in a second. Lars. Lena, go get him. Oli, go get Lars. Go get him. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come outside. What is that going on? Here he comes, dirty cat. Lars, come on. Oh, no. Oh. You silly kitty.